Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a few diecast cars. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. So let's begin. So here we have two of them, street cars from Majorette, the Suzuki Jimny and the Toyota Hilux. So let's unbox the Jimny first. This is the diecast scale model of Suzuki Jimny. It's in a 1/53 scale, made in Thailand, S1/53 Majorette. This car has good detailing from the indicator here, the emblem here, another indicator here, and good painting. And just look at this, it's written Suzuki and Jimny all grip, so wonderfully detailed. And now let's check the suspension of this car. Wow, great. So let's unbox the next car. Now let's unbox the next street cars from Majorette, the Toyota Hilux. So let's open the package. The Toyota Hilux Revo, made in Thailand. This is 1/58. The Jimny was 1/53. This is the scale model of Toyota Hilux. It looks great with a detailed emblem. It's written Hilux here in the front door. And Toyota Hilux Revo. It even has a carrier. And here also Hilux. This car has again a good left-hand drive interior. Now let's check the suspension of this. Good. Now let's take the other cars. The Fiat 500 Icon. This is a 1/55 scale model. It also comes with suspension, but very less compared with the Jimny and Hilux. This is a 1/55 Fiat Icon 500. So this has an open interior. Just look at the detailing. Now let's get the other one. This is the Toyota Corolla Altis. The detailing is very good. I can read Toyota and the emblem also. Again, this is a left-hand drive interior. This car comes with good suspension. This is a 1/61 scale model, made in Thailand. Now let's unbox the final amazing car. This is the Lamborghini Aventador in a 1/64 scale. Just read this. What's written? Lamborghini. Highly detailed Lamborghini Aventador. Also, just look at the emblem. This car has beautiful alloys and good suspension for Aventador. So if you like my video, please click on the like button. And if you want me to unbox any such cars, Majorette, Hot Wheels or any brand, please tell me in the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more such new awesome videos and click on the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. So till our next video, bye.